All right, we're back. We got ourselves we got a mod here, and I'm not even making this up. This mod, this is from a subscriber, and I know that sounds a little weird, but it's true, and I'm not exaggerating. It's definitely from a subscriber. Oh, that's the truth, and we're gonna tell you the story here. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life. So I put a video up the other day of the first mods that I did on this thing, and one of them was this sad garage door zip tied. Not like it worked when I put it in, then it stopped working. Just, I mean, whatever. I didn't think anything of it. I was like, I was just gonna fix it, right? Well, check this out. Let me get this camera. Try to get this set up so it's aimed right. Now, some of this may be, I may be fake unboxing this right now, kids. I may have already opened this thing up and looked at it. Do you see this? The Homelink universal opener. I don't know how good the light is in here, but it comes with, you got a template. You got some instructions. I'll put those up there so if you have to read them, go ahead and pause. Hopefully you'll be able to read that, I don't know. And this is what you get. Look at this. It's a toggle switch. A toggle switch located garage door operator, dude. Like, watch this. Here we go, you ready? My door's going down right now. It's got a battery in it that's rated for 10 operations a day, every day for 10 years. We're gonna put this thing right here in the center. I know this lighting's not great, but you know, sometimes in life, the lighting is what you got. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool, kids. You don't want to scratch your Talon. Pry! All right, the big install. Installed. Look at that. It's installed forever. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can get a light. Yeah. Now, I'm not saying that's like, I mean, that is the cat's pajamas right there, kids. Like, that is so cool. I cannot even explain to you how cool that is, because that's cool, but that's garbage. I mean, that's not, sorry. I'm not going to shit talk this because I do this. This is adequate. This works. This is functional. I mean, obviously, I think my battery's just dead. This is a doable thing, but that's fucking awesome. So for me, it's going to be probably turn signal kit, probably high, like LEDs. I think I'm going to do a USB-C charger over here, and that's probably going to be my winch. Maybe in the future, if I have to, I can install it over here with that template. I think I can get 2 toggles right there pretty easy. But like, dude, that is like unreal. And I had no idea this was coming. I just got like a message, was like, dude, sent you something. Hope it works. They watched my videos, like, kind of seemed like what you had there sucked. So this should work. Like, didn't do any research, just like saw this thing, said UTV side by side or whatever. And they just sent it to me. So yeah. It was really easy. I had to hit the program button on my operator. Obviously, it does 2 garage doors. Yeah, how great is that? First dash, and then I got the other building on the bottom one. It's waterproof, dirt-proof, sealed, no wiring, none of that shit. Oh my God, dude. I just talked for 4 minutes about a garage door operator, dude, and I'm blown away. It's so awesome. Like, I didn't even know this shit existed. Like, I hope this helps somebody, because I didn't know about this. That is cool. Like, this is cool. This Talon is cool. That is cool. Just something so simple. Yeah. go ahead and upgrade from the old zip tie, but you're gonna love it. Whatever. I put a little mirror right there so I can see my tire when I'm crashing. You see, you can get a view on that tire right there, because I think I might have to maybe. If you saw my if you came for the garage door operator video, that's over. I'm just gonna talk right now because I haven't mentioned this. I did the video the other day of loading this thing on the trailer. The weight distribution on this, I believe, is 56% rear, 44 to the front. Is that math right? Yeah. So I think I'm probably pretty good, because when I loaded on that trailer, I was a little behind the rear axle on the tandem axles, but I'm way farther forward on the front, and it's so close to a 50-50. I don't know if backing it on is going to gain me anything except for like loose roofs and other garbage shit, so whatever. All right. If you see something in the background, ignore it till that video posts, because I'm probably going to post this one early because it's so cool. Whatever. Just nothing but good times, kids. A little dusty. All right. Stay safe.